Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're solving a classic genealogy mystery. How do you figure out the date of an old family photo when it's not labeled? I've received boxes of old family photos from relatives. Some are labeled, but many are complete mysteries. Rather than give up, however, we can analyze hairdos and clothing in the images to narrow down when they were taken. Fashion trends change over time, so what people wore and how they styled their hair is like a timestamp on the photo. Now, a word of caution. Not everyone dressed in the latest fashion. Older folks often kept wearing styles from their youth, even as trends move on. And people in rural areas or different cultures might not follow the same timeline as, say, Paris or New York. So consider the age, location, and culture of your ancestors. But fashion clues still give us a great starting point. In a moment, we'll jump to my computer and look at some examples and resources. By the end, you'll know the key signs to look for, from Victorian hoop skirts to flapper dresses. At the end of the video, I'll share some websites where you can research these styles for yourself. So let's get started. Early photography started in the 1840s. Think daguerreotypes, which is a polished sheet of silver-plated copper, or ambrotypes, which is actually a sheet of glass. At the time, women wore long dresses. They parted their hair in the center, and they smoothed it over their ears with a bun in the back. By the mid-1850s, hoop skirts made dresses look enormous. Men wore dark frock coats. Sometimes their trousers were lighter. They were clean-shaven in the 1840s, but by the 1850s, mustaches and sideburns started to appear. In the 1860s, women's hoop skirts shifted. They were flatter in the front and fuller in the back. That's the start of the bustle. By the 1870s, dresses slimmed in the front with dramatic bustles in the back. Hairstyles stayed center-parted, but bangs and curls started showing up in the 1870s. For men, this is the full beard era. Lincoln's style was everywhere. By the 1870s, beards gave way to huge mustaches and sideburns. In the 1880s, bustles were their biggest, almost like a shelf sticking out from the back of the dress. By the 1890s, bustles disappeared and women's fashion went to the hourglass look. Tiny waists, broad shoulders, and big skirts. The leg of mutton-sleeved peaked around 1895, giant puffy sleeves that narrowed at the wrist. The hair was upswept with soft waves, often under a wide-brimmed hat. For men, the three-piece suit looked very modern by the 1890s. Beards faded away, but mustaches stayed stylish. The early 1900s were the age of the Gibson girl. Hair was piled high in pompadours, hats were enormous, and corsets created the S-curve figure, which was the bust forward and the hips back. By the 1910s, skirts slimmed down, the hems rose to the ankle, and the hobble skirt appeared for a short time. Hairstyles softened, and just before 1920, some daring women started bobbing their hair. For men, the look was clean and sharp. High collars, sack suits, and mostly clean-shaven faces. By World War I, shaving was standard because of the gas mask used in the trenches. The 1920s are easy to spot. Women wore shorter dresses, straight flapper silhouettes, dropped waists, and bobbed hair. Makeup and long beaded necklace appear in portraits. For men, slim suits with wide lapels, slicked back hair, and fedoras or flat caps. Almost everyone was clean-shaven. Okay, so let's put together everything that we've learned here today. When dating a photo, The first thing you're going to want to do is look at the photo type. Daguerreotype, tintype, cabinet card. The type of photo will allow you to narrow it down to a couple of decades. Next, check the clothing in the photo. The skirt shape, the sleeves, the collars, and the lapels. You study the hairstyles and the facial hair. They can help you narrow it down by a particular decade. Then you're going to want to compare your photo with examples from online archives. Remember, the youngest adults in a photo usually follow the latest fashion, so focus on them. Now, as promised, here are some great websites to explore. Phototree.com. It contains fashion timelines and case studies. The Library of Congress digital collections has thousands of dated photos. Maureen Taylor, who is the photo detective. She's an expert and has written guides on the subject. Family Search has a blog, and they go decade by decade with fashion overviews. Vintage Dancer. This is an excellent website. They have galleries, including African American fashion. Dating old photos is part research, part detective work, and honestly, it's a lot of fun. Once you start spotting things like a bustle, a pompadour hairstyle, or a flapper bob, it becomes second nature. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and drop a comment with your toughest photo mystery. Maybe we'll solve it together on a future episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.